Hey guys, welcome. In this episode, I'll be going over how to do some basic metric conversions. I was looking at the quizzes and it looked like some of us we're struggling on this still. So, good thing to have, and if you don't have this, Google something like metric conversion steps or metric conversion charts, and you can print out something like this to keep with you. And you'll need something like this, or we'll be doing metric conversions all year probably, and they'll be in a lot of problems. So I would print something like this out and keep it handy. It'll really help you when you're doing metric conversions. So notice it says base unit. Base unit can be one of three things, either grams, liters, or meters, just depending on what you're measuring, right? Meters for length, or meters for length, liters for volume, and grams for mass. And then these are the prefixes, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, and then obviously I think we've all heard you just take the base unit, put the prefix in front of it, and that's what you call it. So if we have a meter in our base unit, we could have decimeters, centimeters, milliliters. Same thing with grams. We'd have a gram, we'd have a decigram, centigram, and a milligram. Okay, so now let's start out with a simple conversion here. Let's say we have oops, that's not the pen tool. Let's say we have 5 meters. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger actually. So 5 meters and equals, let's say, question mark, how many centimeters? So to do this conversion, oops, I didn't do this. So we're going to have to multiply because a centimeter is smaller than a meter, and something that this one doesn't have, that maybe I should have had a chart that had this. If you're moving down the steps, multiply by 10. If you're moving up the steps, then you have to divide by 10. So each step, if you're going down, each step you go down, you have to multiply by 10. If you're going up, each step that you go up, you have to divide by 10. So we're going down the steps, right? We're starting here, and then we're going down 1 step, 2 steps, to get to centimeters. So do 1 step at a time. So we have 5 meters. We're going down, right? So we multiply times 10. And we went down that step. So we have meters. Now we're at decimeters. So 5 times 10, 50 decimeters. Well, that should be a C there. Now, let's see, we have 50 decimeters. We need to go down 1 more step to centimeters. Oops, not equals yet. Times 10. Equals 500 centimeters. And then same thing, if we were going up, we would just divide. So let's do one of those. Let's say we start with 256 liters. We want to get to decaliters. Decaliters. So to do that, you can see if we're starting with a liter, we need to go up 1 step to a decaliter. And so if we have 256 liters, we need to divide by 10 because we're moving up, right? So we're dividing by 10. equals 25.6 deciliters. So if you're not getting this, guys, the big thing is make sure you get one of these charts like this and then print it out and keep it next to you when you're working through problems. And like I said, you'll be doing conversions all semester with a lot of the problems that we do, so it'd be good to get this out and keep it next to you. All right, and that's it for metric conversions. Have a good day.